Just caught this little bass. A little nice one. Got it on the old squarebill. That Yamamoto, Gary Yamamoto. About to release him, catch his brother. There she goes. That golden minnow. Seems to do the job out here, right? You're doing it slow, right? Right there. There is one right there now. There's one over here on this side. I told you. Hell yeah. He almost had one right there. Damn. Got him.
He got that bitch that I wanted to. That's him.
I slowed it down right there. Is it long?
Because I seen the motherfucking fish.
That's money. Catch another one. What happened? Huh? What? Right here along the edges. Alright. Alright, that's us. Oh, my bad, Dom. I almost hit you. Not a bad. Trebles. I got him, though. You want to keep casting back because they're still there. They're not going nowhere. He'll bite again. He's there though. If he's not there, somebody else is. Meaning a fish. How many fish did I catch? 2?
Yeah.
Oh. There he goes. Oh, that one's on camera.
Get him.
On the old Beatle spin. That's a little baby. A little baby.
Can you get that old Beatle spin out of that phone, please? Oh, no, you're good, because I'm scared of the line. Right here. Oh, you recorded it?
Yep. It flew out of the water.
Right on the old Beatle spin.
The old Beatle spin.
Googan Squad.
Googan Squad kind of shit.